So, TV, never bought pa, and some of the mood, more to them. Oh my God. Aboagye.
Yeah.
Me watching.
Yeah.
Chat in live. I call my page, my fan page. So, what's the between him?
But
No, you show anymore. With the Wamaya Kunya, say, you can't know him, and he be trying to name so. What's the about the actual? Okay, very well.
But your friend Lawrence Amufa.
Okay. But so one year, young Pentro, your castle may cast me and you deem. A radium that by the grace of God. And to young Peddy Pedinje. Sumami. Yeah, a Christopher from Genesis to Revelation, young Fabian from your living count. Ena yete Ghana sa konya so Ghana sa so ye the 1992 constitution ji so be hwem no aka no kra ye beta ochi udi ntroche ya e de won apostle ugitum
Bacha am jitum
awrade nyo boafo ene anopai
amen
ade na do ba vision one
Reverend Pacho Nyamishiro
also
Pacho me say me started school, secondary school no, ana Yankopon and Sabam so rather than me and Yama Bibro secondary school for me so every ni or mom frail saint and adia day inti minya gift be visions me da who visions heaven and hell and Yama Bibri but previously na mentiasie but a time came one emra me gusono me bete eniema ase na recently vision bia erade dan a picture me be 1 month ago in fact very serious ana me say ene me ba na ma be kana phone so ate na mpacho vision no die me hu ye no about spiritual world, satanic world, demonic world. Ana me da ho na misua Bible. The misua Bible no na ye say manikum. Ana am say no ene ma me nkoda me bed so kakra. Te me da bed ne so a anche be 1 to 2 minutes.
So TV never bought pa, and some of the mood more to them. Oh my God. Aboagye.
Yeah.
Me watching.
Yeah.
You chat in live. I call my page, my fan page. So what's the between him?
But
no, you show anymore.
But
okay. With the Wamaya Kunya, say you can't know him, and he be trying to name so. What's the about the actual?
Pacho midindi
okay, very well.
Pacho your friend
Lawrence Amufa. Okay. But so one year, young Pentro, young castle make a radium that by the grace of God. And to young Peddy Pedinje. Sumami. Yeah, a Christopher from Genesis to Revelation. Yeah, young Fabian from your living count. Ena yete Ghana sa konya so Ghana sa so ye the 1992 constitution ji so be hwem no aka no kra che ya ye beta ochi udi ntroche ya e de won apostle ugitum
Bacha am jitum
awrade nyo boafo ene anopai
amen
ade na do ba vision one
Reverend Pacho Nyamishiro
also
Pacho me say me started school, secondary school no, ana Yankopon and Sabam so rather than me and Yama Bibro secondary school for me so every ni or mom frail saint and adia day inti minya gift be visions that who visions heaven and hell and Yama Bibri but previously na mentiasie but a time came one emra me gusono me bete eniema ase na recently vision bia Erade dan a ditch me by 1 month ago. In fact, I very serious. Anna me say any meba na mabekana phone so ate. So vision no the me hu ye no about spiritual word, satanic word, demonic word. Anna me da ho na misua Bible. The misua Bible no na ye say emanikum. Anna am say no ene ma me nkoda me bed so kakra. Te me da bed ne so anche be want to me a wapena as a me spirit no e free me mu enti me ko pie baby gate kese pa ba e honey a very dark ana man be frame me se membra man or your TikTok if I know your fepa I don't know say if or your angel or what but your very TikTok no your fe so frame se membra no say or ko kire me adie bi enti o ka say Satan ewo word akesie mako 3 that's marine word Satan word any demonic word na marine word no eye atumi omo ensu ase na omo pani pa ne mame wata ana yesawo demonic word na demonic word no so ya chichem bebre ebi eye heavy word ahonhom etetewo ahon market yakesi omo ye from principalities na saun we o ka kire me say omo wo sa esoro no omo na omu si a Christopher omo ye weak empire bo ehun kwan ye wa Christopher bi omo ye weak because of burning kitinkiti bi omo ye to omo bonfire saun we nya tumi esi omo empire bo anokwan ana saun we kro no aye from principalities the partial word omo ho odin enti even or training ni ababra bo training awu nyame asoma na bofo ese omefa ni so enkosoro no sa ahohum we etimi epese omu si obofo ne kwan to omo ne obofo ne struggle enti emra o kire me no o kire madie bi ase ni so bi ewu e wasase so a owu ye na ne ho free ne mu epie ye ne ho free ne mu pie na obofo be so ne nsa so de na ekọ na odini drew one word ye wo ahun makesi demons omo ho den in fact omo ho den demons ni bi ho den se nyame abofo enti abra abofo no na omo ye 3 omo de man na ekọ no omo drew one word na omo pese omo de man ni betwam if he say omo say man no ehun wonke kayedi and say okọ heaven if he say the main mission of Bonsambo taye nyina ne say on pese okraba akokora be ko nyame anyini enti watena say so akora babra botrene abofo befo akwa hini mu no that principality word ye partial word omo osruwe omo ne abofo ne ko struggle said uso no ombeje a3 omo nsem na baby ode me call last ehoye hu ene satanic word ehwankasa na obronsam wo ye fro the devil's domain or Satan domain na eho no ode me call ye no eho sun na why you very dark in fact esum kabi entima no ode me call ye na ne light bi free ne boso ene mami hu niema ewo ho na ehoso mitime nkompe esopa unhu beginning to the end na sa eho no ye was self bebre ewo ho ayese prison ye was self bebre mitime county na self no self bi ayatro din bi as din na no matro no omde Arabic entim man no de me call no obofo no de me call no ana ne kire me afie in fact eho sun enti ye drew baby no na souls bebrego enipa bebrego ya cheni wom ana obofo no ka kire me say aha nipa gu anyina no unim so omo wasase so ana am say omo wasase so no ana ya cheni wom adenti na omo ya cheni wom ana o say entre na ya kiro no yenti ase sa word no dura yemfa I'm not a communicating and fan on a
FM 100.5.
No amount a who in Moye. To me, Jimmy Trim say, the Remo Assassoa. I didn't know all my baha. Enti emra meji sana mano or no bofo no e ka kire me say we mu nyina wasase so na bebre ye Christopher omwa ha na star cells no mugu no eye adwamafo cells and me who demons bebre om show mo so na ya tini wom and the demons no mo show mo so no e make sure say so ba kokura escape e mfiri hom pie demons no hu thing mean compare I can't compare those demons and I can't describe it mean and musu na ye different demon e bi kita boyanim e bi kita different demon na e bi waso na bi entiatia all kinds of demons and show mo so na e hoye say demon oda cells we here ugusu we wiase udware osra okwaduma oye die nipa bi aye nanso spiritually oda cells wo enti cells oda wo a die demons ne beka fiye no eno na wuti wiase a obeye ti obafo nka kire dem say omugu anyina no eye enkrofo a ana nipa mo wo wiase a omugu adwaman cells ewo Obronsam kingdom na the demons no beka so omunye no eno na omuye so they are forced to do it enye omu no omu biem ana ka kire dem so ti asase so a it da say wu nipa no konkron na control anasi demons na control obie no what ti asase so a hunhun bia control no say oye Kristo na konkron ba so na udi bone a who grieve on crown into a chin open demons must take over and the demons will be take over spiritual woman do cells into a more namu budjaman yes and yamani they are being forced yes show or ye and ya or mope and now sir fornication cells one now you to form dosun you to know mebruno dosu and mebruno dosu be brave ana and mebruno I dosu no emu manso na dosen emma be brenam the nipa we nyina gu asase so ya asase nipa nyina na wa ana o si we mu nyina egu asase so na emum omo abrabo omo bono eye demons na control ana obi a university bi organa kire me eson eye university eso pa organa ha eson na university na nim no spiritual world no all natural immorality. It's like university no no when you dra ho pe said ye tie bia obesha se obadwaman na o catch them say dem go from university abi bree egu sa the cells of fornication and o start them call cells foforo and no say your branchness you know e Ghana ha enfa pacha o Ghana o university 3 me no akra ba ko Kumasi. I see. I can see it. It was quite them so more unya pe na Christo kita mu ya spiritual ye bind do edo ko sheho. And I start me call. Na ko search university no na say umudro awurade mu no wo form a e wo form a na spiritual o ma unya wura wa spiritual mo be titire no wa pedwama mu entadwama no obo na nya wo pe o pe si wo jai but men so ntimi nya free say demons na control or life e ma wo ye the spiritual show monster o ya hwie nye yi na o sa de me call ensadie na ensadie nipa be bregu ho ana o ka kire dem say ha omom wa nyina so gu asase so na omu nyina so obi o ha ana o ka kire wan to obi o no monsa na wo sei o peti wo jan so ontumi nyai ne nyina say demons na hye ema omu eno monsa no obi ana peti to wa kobia ba na wo no monsa ne nyina ye demons na hye into what them cells bebre abodan for cells and also when we now we are say na so demons na you omu so abeche krato a and o ma possess body no the demon no do pet body na ye no ana ye the body no nkodi the ballers no okodidi body na no ngata mu so no onom enti die demons na be control so wanya no eno na omu eye the cells no do so bebre na emra o kire me cells ni bebre ewie ye no o de me call baby or catch them say aha aye cell back on some any kun pa or your friend weak pastors software genu pastors when your false prophet genu pastors enya me from wasa so hanu bɔne bi ɔmo di no ɔbronsam anya kwan akyekyere ɔmo ahyɛ hɔ na ɔka kyerɛ m sɛ bɔne a ɔmo di pa a ɛtumi ma ɔmo ba ɔkɛseɛ yɛ dwamaabɔ na mehu ɔkyerɛ nipa bebree na madamfo sɔfoɔ bi amna ne hyɛ nyamesom ase wɔ school mehu ɔno nso wɔ hɔ bi nti after the vision mefrɛ ne ka kyerɛ sɛ master sɛ ne mahu na adeɛ no mahu no ɔbɔfoɔ ka kyerɛ me sɛ wohyɛ hɔ bi a one wontumi mmɔ mpaeɛ wontumi empreach the gospel wontumi nyɛ fasting de bia be feel last answer no binda and I see from last week saa na feel and I'm saying ɔmmɔ mpaeɛ fi se ne mehu nti ɔhyɛ aseɛ so wɔ mpaeɛ na saa particular cells no ɔbronsam ani ku if it's a papa catch and see the into some any that particular cells no say all those pastors as of for no more you for destiny as we jam mo pie ba ebe man kingdom abefom nti no do obonsam any ko pon person obia be firi ho aba na demons no so omo hwe ehode no omo ye different demons omo ho den pa ana omo hwe that cells ho na that cells no every day obronsam a list of people we were demon be on in charge of death. He's the demon in charge of death. And every day obronsam throw list of people from each cell biano or tron crofubio mugu cells would ding at the demons in charge of death no as the onko yiwom ne onko mu nyina into what ya so na every day you have to leave this world. Anna obofon ka kire m say you nipa bebre ti asase so o mawu enti wan ye lucky spiritually o mu kun wa ubewu instant and also on them some days 1 day 2 days and now 1 month and now any other day be on person the month bia on betime de okra no o mo kun da spiritual world na koma car akoma and robbers akoma ekwan bi on person fa sukun bia so mo kun hunhum de you have to leave this world and come to death enti oka kire m say owuo no a on be kuno analyst no otro anopa fodin awia anwumre na najo enti ye wo mo yeku omo anopa ye wo mo ku omo anwumre ye wo mo ku omo awia ne anajo to bi o ha anope woni nam ho bibia nye no ba spiritual world ye kuno tama ye dia ma no bia one day to bi aka no one day onyare onya hwe be san say ye ku spiritual world enti you have to leave this world in fact enti but you put am the sorry ma ewo Ghana he nyina say omo mpaye mo masofo asofo bebre asofo mo ye janu nyina diwum ana obronsam our vision on earth every day biano or through the list of a nipa demons ne mra mo meshiafe and so when obronsam buofu ana obofo say minim de ntia obronsam buofu sa na ni ayeko na ni buofu or say the mission we are saying on pese or crebia ebenya nyankopon hini to okra wa babrabo pa wo pese okwa heaven no or pese with su kwan obeto to ano na obofo okra media so we are no chantro adenti na okwa hinim we are no yesi we are no yesi enti the mission on pese or crebia ebeko nya osro hinim enti de bia no owo mission anopa awia Meriase Emma Asofo any a Christopher Emma Folly. Na book no yewo a Christopher be breeding woman. De biano or mad the list of names of a Christopher all over the world. No are commanding in fact demons of Dawson. Demons ebeye over our enti said aya de bia fele se nyame abofo wo no aya fa show trim say demons so ebehen na demons ni benya kwan entawa enambone a wobedi so the only loophole on benya kwan e de awura mu eye bone a wobedi demons so dosun enti ye woni pa ba akumpa demon be 1000 ene dinachi the work Mark chapter 5 Bible say man no na wabodam wo ewo Gadara no or say moyahi or say ya dosun you 2000 eni pa ba akumpa the demons e dosun bebre to obon samo so ma demon aba nchen in fact ultimate demons omo ho odin na wa command them strictly or the abufo the one ma we yan fole a entine ma ifo ye juma entine omo mo ye juma mo obon so mo ye juma if it one ya punishment ye de be ma no untimi any so.
Okay, before about to us, no. Share Facebook, or share on Facebook, Ceciano. Lady, we are confirming we are my friend, Janet Ampadu. I said, hey, Reverend, that's why I can't stop sleeping with guys. Also, 26 years old, I'm 26 years, and I've slept with 35 men. Wow. 26 years old. What remember my yeah, and it is confirming what you are saying.
Yeah, the Reverend, fornication cells, you to 400,000. Now, before we be free cells, no. Maybe so often say before the show by then we free cells. I know see so when in them we are here before bit me escape you from cells. No, I just said a very powerful genuine man of God. A vampire amount a deliver and you deliver pe obe vanish. Okra be vanish e be yira e free cells. And I say no pony pe be kenya me asem. Na akoma no aka ma repent unya nu ho ape yes so no e vanish from the cells.
Wow.
Enti Reverend Pacho vision no the entire member that says vision obem.
Really?
Obem pa na baby a obem no once me the kaka see demons akese bi kita books of genuine Christians,
yeah,
genuine Christians. Now, that genuine Christian, genuine men of God, no, they be an book no mukitano. You will less of people I take it say, mon concoma or mon and shiafi. It's they be a demons rebel small no. They are coming with power. It's we Christo now mon paya and the Bible say mon paya embre. We Christo now mon paya na de be dinner what da. Because the uku who demons any ahunhuma ye no mo delia the reverend tam wa can make the trade kingdom of the devil
and man dey about to us
and niema e wo ho because marine spirit no we von any eyelashes any the addicted kaya no
men free media no eba so nyame adman okay muso na me din wan
me pa cho demons na kita books akese no omo with dean of genuine pastors and genuine Christians. Now, or children, we and or see women, you want people of any pebble you take home every day. Biano or Bonsama command say, Omon Konomon folly. Said a be obenya musu aba ahinio. Na hinio ye kasi ye throw this young cocoon near the useless self wa ye father dear 2 minimum. A demons not drag you. Our form, baby, ourselves the one different from hell. Okay, baby, crack kumase. Now, Bonsam don't mean one a way basta as a meta that dear into almost that drag so no sa aqua to hell. Kenyando to help her spiritually. Well, you have to die on this earth. And the upa obetu and in other hell, free spiritual to hell. Now, me say book as ye be a friend. The judgment book of Satan. The judgment book of Satan. The book no esun. Now, yeah, the red ink natural. And now, above on catch them say we and yet penny a moja and or the actual. Now, obi a book mon, obi a sell book, and or bon saman kasanikita, obi a mono and or say. Or they Nibufu say this people I must deal with them. As for this one, and on one Kasanikita, the devil himself on his throne, and Kasanikita book see
okay.
And we are quite different from other books, no demons, the genuine Christian woman.
Okay.
Where the a specific book be a soon. Now I can't describe it. You no be a mopena or say this people I must deal with them. This people I must deal with them. Indeed. Obi amuna obofo mami hu eneme wo book nim na your country's name that is Ghana, Nigeria and other names. Now under the country name there are specific people edin bi ayatro sem crofo according to Obunsan they are all pastors. Them according to the devil no or say omo ye threat into his kingdom.
Really?
Omo hane kingdom. Now or chire di into omo hane kingdom. Now obofo no mami hu who is soon into a book no crown and a book name we blood. The one for light the one a bonam to so to the two Ghana DNSO a dimbebre now me who fight for pet a war some book mankasa or so me a thread into a skate almost hana hini ni mission almost per se a bebemo amano. Now,
first name you why?
First name is Reverend Tony Kwajobuachi.
Second name you why?
Reverend Anaya Osafo.
Third name you why?
Reverend Iswood Anaba.
Fourth name you why?
Bishop Darkward Mills.
Fifth name you why?
Prophet Nanase Sakwadi.
I see.
So. Pacho ti osisa asofu we hana hini na Reverend won atoso mienu na obonsomani abre na ni aboso mo hana hini no ma 5 reading to mo hana hini o se first one omu bi o ma no kasa ejeji won camp o se Japan buofu edi de bia no they are not comfortable at their camp and on paibo omumpaye no because omakoma ye pure na omu live holy life na omabra nyame amomu tuminti enye Kristo ni bia na bompai Kristo ni bi mpai bo enu nyame eni muda if is a what bonim na bompai the Kristo for all night e bompai but boni atimunti abofo no osro no hodi but these people was say omumpai bo dija eto omahiniam cause confusion de bia and I say omu preaching no ji akra takra bebe wo bon sam campo a wakekere wom se mo kasa senya na eto bi akoma so na osakira eyese se okra no vanish edu onso nyame teme fa mo honhom ekọ campo ekọ bie gauge no because nyame amum tumi nti mo kọ mu bie senya obofo so ahomaso ye tosu mienu the love of money the tosu miensa obonsam wo journalist wo bi wo Ghana ha oyibe kire be journalist wo bi wo Ghana ha dia demon possessed obena omoso asem enkrofo we din obena omoso asem wo radio asofo num no the omunya yomo de beto omoso ombesha decide ake come hon sem that be nipa be lose hope ewo mu but these are the people erade person onam so e building the kingdom if we say nyankopon be na so obunso hu se ne bere ben to person fa always so capture all souls or nam afefedie so or nam eniema bi so capture all souls but these are the men who are able to stand for God with holiness with any kwom or the obofo nka kire nsi nyame ani kum ho na do obekam no ono akon no nyame do bi o de bekam bi obegu nanim ase okum ho pa na because nyame ani kum ho so moye threat to the kingdom of the devil if it's a source no ono akache om no e be so odo mu nyina akọ hell no monam deliverance so monpai bo so ene preach me pesa kira masos ni nyina e free ho the demons make us say we are ready to go and make them fall into yebeko into honorable some catch and say go and destroy them all or can I say 3 times
need to form boni ebeba or the new inter or titikwa from no asotwe me peke nsam miensa any film first one righteous pastors na bon some Alex on names you know or say was so bebre wo mase ana utie boy na was na edin dawson with that pastors you know edin dawson but emu 5 na on any year day emu ye into 5 na nani mu ye no mo mention ye no what I say but others in the want me a mention ana boy nsam yi a wayi na honhom ne se one former ma pay say for 5 people na or mention one names no name Lex na what quickly no with that Lex ehun was my demons no ntiba omo ba no omo ba for purpose destroying with that Lex pastors what I say asofo na what quickly one din no one particular and a demons no eba abe destroy won de binum be kwani mu wasiem what I say de wunni mu fo no ye de beto so na eno no bre wase a omanya nyina so e de apo atia wo on de tie ebiem omu be yi nkofo on say okasem bi say marine spirit no ma me wata no wayi mabawa ene mema mmabaawa ne de adwaman afade rivon more mesh any other sa eyelashes no woman dey ba for polluting ladies a Christopher ma into one so was say I didn't call kidnapping ayi hono no sex hono na man na do so ho if you so na welcome sa wo mo niam no what I say ana yawo asofo a omanya wo mapocese wo a omfo asa wo mo niam no eso rivon eyelashes ni mess ne de keka ho no what I say ayo ne bi ni mo say ayo rova ne de ye ni company ewo wi ase ya what I say say company o kro metimi ayade eti awurade ade ya minim ne say anwi no physical de no efiri India India ana India for de no so de ba for de mo amabosom after that no me de akofa emfidiem no me de aba out asa beton abenya so mfaso what I say enti yeyi epoase de no kura firi ho a physical de no kura no enye se wo bi trinwi a wayi aguo wo kwa akofa be good ye so abira wo bi abira kwa assassin wo twa ni nyina agu owie ya wo simi panyi tenten ti akof assasso kofu obi de so de so obi free Brazil anu Brazil fu onwi awufu nyina aka ho wo ma mawuo no ni yayi ni trinwi no what I say ni e dia kofa mfidiem ni e dia begu asabeto na wisu nyame ma wo mawre adia pa nenti akanwa ayo faburo so se wodi guru bakwa keka nyame mawro de ama so adidie ye ato aso but nyame de ni fu anu ogugu wo pese wo de kanini ma agen wo pese wo kire nyame san on de ate anya wo mo eye demon so no ene dite di ma wo anti dia spirit ni ba sha no enu no obeye na nka me gbo awura boutique abira atale kan sen ho ai entertain ye hwe ne ma jasa atale ye no ne makoto atale a atete bodamfu afade ne makoto no ne nu na mani wo kosua yi ehu ne se efe abla atete ne mi de sa atale atete ase ne mi body nyina gugum me body nyina piepie wom ne mi de atie si abonten ne mani asa agye ho abonten ho wasa de akwasole ya ka ho wasa de akwasole Yawa many churches are spirit of mammon. Ediso. Yawa many churches. What they was see a demon so we are see muno. A bruni pe we are see times 1,000. Oh can walk on Bamana and one tin muno. On walk on the sound one and a tin mube 2,000. San on walk on. But who can Bible now? Bible says say na umu ye 6,000. Awon boni mako 6,000. Ona na te ba kofuom. Ye de ye meet bi. Enti ye nim de ayaka. 6,000 demons. Ona na te with that man. Emu. Abodam fo no nam kromo kasa no. Ayawo na no kasa o. With that spirit command with that man. Oh woman, you told me mienu and the diviaseso spirit of God and spirit of Satan. And to say when the God spirit ubenya bon samo home. Omu ya dom. Ona ye spirit ba ku say adi ni jinawa wa ya times 1,000 one spirit. One spirit. Until now, I won't make you my way. Massa. Ebiam was a boys no. One woman so I had the four. Omunsu do omusi kantakre. A Christopher one ma. Omuwa ahunchirem. To the awareness when yawa. No one was Jaman, no possessor. No kidnap who so no. No the walker. The guy can remember who pay you. But the man who said one who no. But me at the milk kidnapping room. Oh, near kidnapping the pa. A man, member, and you come on. And you come on. Who said yet? And you nipper baby was I see sure. Ya kidnap on was say, woman, I'm walking you my back. And so, I was sacked in the place. I never been a yakuo. Omen a Bible no from Tiasia Wono. Omo Yatias of 4 years. But who go to spiritual ya? Omo ya four. Inti se seni pano. Eba tia uradiasem. No wa jidi wa nakumemwa. Ese se uradinyani ni so no. Because nyami tumi no. Eburo nsam no so. Enti na trying say. Ya wa jima asem di no. Se wa wumpa. Oba sorry. Enye wa ma yakosi ya wa masem. Omo de Yesu ba. Na mo matiasefo a bonsam. Awia wankra. Se Satan enya fa okra pa wo ye wufuo. Ana Bible ne say wakra wa ya bone no. Bone ni ma no obewu. But moment a wo di bone no, just so ye wufuo. I think say ansan ne kra message ni mekan. What asofuo mu kura nyame agirem. De odi be wi awon. One ya hand time. What I say? 2 years sika. Afa church no. Bo say yan sise nyina ye sika. Sikamra. Until you trust say ye. Man poor members no. Aya wrong. Yan sise nyina ye sika. Oh said yet. Sika. Akwaya ba faso. My church not prosper with money. And the money also Kasim was say demons no foul more. Omuntimi pretty repentance biam. They are preaching prosperity, blessing, and other things. What does it? Wana koma and you know the sikati. We can't crash them. Demons who ye juma. Demons who ye juma. And ya come. Jeno, I bet Sassia fe. But I said, 1 year and a while. And one suffer down. And a chance suffer. I 10 years free Radia Domson. 1 mile back. But I send a testimony you said here. On your kind of brofo. Yes, Christo wapia ne dem. Face to face. Kokanda intasam. Now there was some man and say. What's a Christo catcher and say? What pejan safu baby? What pejan safono? Baby, a man safunajina. But ya jan safono. I'm a marine spirit. And a din safono so. Bishop, Reverend for a certain penny for a majority of demons. Or power was sick and to the sick and about them. And an answer, sorry, no, when you see it, so for dear, Yalenkin about school. So say, church and casa, the life of church of Christ, I school on the money. And to our scan of Basolinima, the second one is a penny, but you have a penny. What I say? Said you buy a 1 flash of Munko. You are yen penny, none on I need at the amano. What I say? And to what more? As a word penny, but confusing.
1 or 2.
Massa. Sofwa, why you right? man of God no was sasia kansam what dia global catros yam pamono what try abetini sikati asika fo bebre adwan sika atoma sofo do obaka na ya dwuma wo sika bibia mu wo yiba wo boa enti wo wuti atire no dia na abaka ya befa se na adeba wo ba for dia kesia na yi 500,000 you beja wo ma go 20 million 50 million 10 million 100 million afo abaje wo 100,000 na sabatu kokotria
Sikapa FM 100.5
abro no 500,000 yen collection ti now omu yeduma a kidnap asofo enye izo many Christians na shabraba a Christopher boy ya mabawa ya merante entu su sewei a konkom bibusa a konkom atiefo assembly na da ono carry yourself Christo ni eniama Bible chire no ani je ho niama Bible chire asofo ni bebire wanya wo enti anya ne spirit ana te wo mu chanchira no wa chire wrong wa chire wo nchira mfa wo nkonkon se preaching wa wrong preaching mfa wo nkonkon me kachira wo ti assembly into day in day out what is asafunimu what is possess aya ufu asore aya nsamanfu asore demons na ditadi mamo me kachira wo me kai my vision ba minim sawrade be me mutemu afo me metra radio so ma Brazil kire nipa enye nipa ni madum ti ne yete ya minya vision true vision ni mu no na sama koprichi akoka nyame asem na vision ni mu no ade me baabo ase ya enti mi wie na mse me kopa ba yi asori fie bi awura na makobo mpaye kakra said the Bible say what you say ni fie ba yam pa bo fie enti da ya ni mu no on konkuru de me ko asafu kasia bim na bire me wura sori dam wo no membe se gu asori dam wo nyina ye gay a man ya lesbian ana bi nso a eye man mehema ana omoda asori dani na de wo a omusibi da no trese anya papa enti mi wura sori dani mu no na mi si ai na nyanko batrabe na moya ni sai sintidi ai so de why wa gre so be sai ai ni yanyuma na yanso ekobi abafa so be saw ya be saw na me se me mo betimi ya sai me anya no kore akwaro mo sase ya sai omo tu agu me so na omo relate ti se demons asori di dia me mo na bi omo tu gu me so no me no omo strage ya preyama antigeta me fam wura asori da anim no ma mfa wo me strage ko fa another gate anti through another gate no me asami pie no na ba ko atu asami so wo e be ma wo se hwe me nya kasa me ya no be ya da paade ne be na me se me wo boa me jiro no me hu ya se jacket wa esi asore ne kwan no na me ko ni ti na me sham me di ne ti sham apɛ ne gya na so ni mu eso ni tirim na anane firi ne soro abesini fam no anane te secondary ekwana me ya first se me pie me 2 steps wo kwana no ana Christ gina ho no ode ne nsa gudibu sei Jesus Christ awa ya wiase tamuafo na asam na me kai no gina kwana no ana ne nsa gunibo nti me hwe nanim ti bira me hwe nanim no ano so me mu no pagya me me hwe nanim sei na emoja pa ana sinse na ni ase Christ so moja said you so abo no so no pepepe nam so wura me bepe wotena bi o na so adane wo saye wo sisai na masafo ayo said you dance die ne tie no na wo to me tene ne aya me honhom afiri won hia dam anu nti me nteme honhom nta na maba wo mu efiri se wadane mratofo ni achiwade yefo asomfo atia me ne me mransam na wapome ne me kwantene ne ya wone me honhom no na wonante wona koma den no mo bone akwan so weiti na me de we ya won sanchene so obedi mu adanse efiri se mo safo apoma akwan na wonhwehwe se obenante metini ni mu wodi abone fosam na mo jahwiego to mo jahwiego so watetere bone wo manim na wode wona no akoakoa wo ho se wonim me ganti na me de mabufisia baba won so afirisa wato me honhom afiri wo mu enti sa won konkuru si asore dan ne kwa no wontimi nko inside because of what you are there no ana hon konkuru mu ana Kristo yi ne ho adi kire what I say because no ana ba yeso a wa kire ya papa mayeyo na ma Kristo atimi abaya nsira bam anti ye to hom no anti ama Christ anso be ka sore ne kwa no wo bom beti emiye no asore pro no na yakoma obom beti anyadai yemiye no efrise yama bone atupunu nim what I say antimitiam se owura na dia ni yabaya no katina me say di wewo dance ya na me trene be sani abamo nchai mabufuo so na maboni panyina atai shede onwuma te o kasa sem wie yape ana mani so teme enya komo sasa we maka mani te me fra me magbo mama ne me katira sofo maame ayinda samwa asafo wade dan na ditira me no enya ni nyina kola na mba radio so ameka o sister ma wi asemu ani mutia wate na wurade anyo kamafo me katira wo ma wi ase amu ani mutia na safo wurade anyo kamafo yes anu mu na won kwaje befire se ne panyina budi boyani na sawurade abutiri ni enhira na wo se ne panyina babutiri ni na safo wurade abuti boyani awurade ne aboafo da yasemni atroni me yawe confirmation wo ho say wouldn't say the olden days life of Christianity Christ man yatwatere say all the churches in this earth they are chasing the money to show a man of God a woman na show you what they say obe pama kadia kwaso a amwa Kristo somwa ya tell so sa udi abraba pam wa fra safonim ya be gira unnecessary things bi so ni ya dia pamo anya common ti da bia me kase yema bibia mu ya bom dia urade si anyo ya bekoso akuta ya mu diam na ya potre ne nsam no da wuro ni asre urade se onom nka ye ho na se urade kura ye yenim ni yesi yenim nwu ase da na se yenim gu ase awo wi ase enipa ni mpa na se ye gira urade ye dina mu a enhira ne ye because up to date here that's good Christian ni mu ase but ogusu kuta ni mu diem o twanya kwasi wo twa da kese no o tie fo frɛ asole enye ne sa pasa mo da na mo wo fi e fura ni
Audio Jungle.